Hi, grade 2s. We are going to go through your new sound for this week, which is O. So let's begin. The first word is loaf. L-O-F. Loaf. I sure love the smell of a freshly baked loaf of bread in the morning, don't you? The next word is throat. R-O-T. Throat. Sometimes my throat gets sore when I speak too much. Coat. K-O-T. Coat. We should start wearing a coat because it's getting a bit chilly at night. Road. R-O-D. Road. I miss having road trips, especially when it's along the beach or up in the mountains. Soap. S-O-P. Soap. Remember to wash your hands with soap and count to 20. Goat. G-O-T. Goat. Isn't this a cute goat? I love this picture. Bah. The next word is oak. O-K. Oak. There is a beautiful oak tree growing in the park, and the squirrels love to go and climb inside the branches. Goal. G-O-L. Goal. I scored the winning goal for my team. Laduma! Coach. K-O-Ch. Coach. My coach helped me become so good at soccer. We have really good coaches at Raylam. And the last word, toad. T-O-D. Toad. Ew, I don't like toads. They're so slimy. And that is the end of your phonics words for this week. I hope you enjoyed reading with me.